welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this eye makeup look for you guys today, okay? If you have never seen my channel before, hey guys, my name is Eva and I upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of me. Anyways, let's just get right into the look because we do not like long intros. Let's go.
When you say it like that,
So this is how my eyeshadow will look on this eye, and I'm obviously going to show you guys how to do it. So yeah, if you want to know how to get this eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. So guys, for the eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using two palettes, and that is the Nicole Conceal palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette. So yeah. So the first shade I'm going to go in is with a brush, just for the transition shade. So yes, let's go. So with the color Bruh, I'm just going to apply that all over my eye. Moving in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be using this brown shade right here as a transition shade also. See, this one has more color, so I can actually see what I'm doing with the eye. So yeah, that made zero sense, but I sure look. Then going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be using this red shade right over here. So I'm going to apply this color to the inner and outer crease. Like so. So after that, I'm gonna go in with this reddish wine color and apply that to the inner and outer crease also. So after that, we're gonna go into the Nicole Conceal palette, and we're gonna go and take chocolate and put that into the inner and outer crease also, but I would put it at the lower bottom of the eye. Does that make sense? I don't know. For the bottom of the eye, we're going to use that red wine shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. So apply that all over the eye, under eye. Then I'm going to go in with that chocolate shade and apply that too. So your eyeshadow should look something like this. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to take a creamy pencil kind of shade and apply that because my eyes are small and I want to make them pop. Taking a bit of the LA Girl Pro Concealer and putting it on a small brush like so. I'm going to apply the concealer on the middle part of my eye where I did not put any color on. Going back into the Nicole Conceal palette, we're going to use the shade New York City. And I'm also going to take a small brush for this. And we're going to just apply the shade onto the area where we didn't apply any eyeshadow. So basically the middle part of your eye. Just pack that color right in the middle. Then we're going to go in with this kind of glitter thing. It's from Faces. And the shade, I think it was 2, and we're going to apply that where we applied the New York City color, so basically in the middle of the eye. What I do is just kind of like spray my brush with setting spray, and that usually just works. And then I'm going to pick up some product and apply it. Then take some of that shade and apply it under the eye too. So after this, we're going to apply black eyeliner on the waterline on the top of the eye. Because we're going to be applying lashes. So I'm going to be applying this lash to my eye, and I'll be right back when this is on. Bam! And this is the finished look. You could wear this look totally to like a Valentine's Day and stuff. Or if you don't have a day or like are single and stuff, you can still do it. Like, who cares? Right? Anyway guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. It's quite simple to do, so yeah. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel and all that jazz. Hong Kong. Until next time, skadoodles.